Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to learn a new sound. This sound is your mouth stays open and your tongue stays still. Just let the air come out. Try with me. Hold your hand in front of your mouth and say, can you feel the warm air on your hand? Good job. Now, let's look at some words with the sound. This word is hari. Hari. Hari means day in Malay. Today is Sunday. Hari ini Ahad. This word is dahi. Dahi. Dahi means forehead. Dahi. Here we have bahu. Bahu. Bahu means shoulders. Now, let's say the suku kata together. Ha. He. Who. He. Who. Ha. Who. Ha. He. Now, let's learn how to write the small letter H. We start at the top. Draw a straight line down to the bottom line and go halfway up the same line. Go up the same line and make a small hump to the right and down, touching the bottom line. Okay? Shall we write this again? Start at the top line, down, up halfway, then around and down. Okay, now let's write the capital letter H. Draw a straight line down from the top to the bottom. Leave a space and draw another straight line down to the bottom. Now draw a straight line across in the middle to connect the two lines. Okay, let's write it again. Down, down, and across in the middle. Okay, that's all we have for now. Keep practicing. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.